Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today I'm going to be making kharvas, which is also called as colostrum milk pudding. Well, this pudding has different recipes in different states and I will be sharing a recipe that we in Goa and most part of people in Konkan follow. Let's start without wasting any time. So I have here half a liter of dik, which is also called as colostrum milk, approximately 2 cups by measurement. I couldn't make it yesterday, hence I had kept it in the fridge. That's why you could see this tiny and creamy particles on the surface. So here I am adding 2 cups of freshly grated coconut to the grinding jar. I have used half of a large coconut. To this, I'm also adding an equal amount of lukewarm water, that is 2 cups, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, 3 pods of green cardamom, pinch of salt. We have to grind this coarsely. You can see I have got this coconut ground like this. I'll pass this mixture through the sieve and squeeze out all the thick coconut milk with my clean hands. For this pudding, we need coconut milk to be thick. Hence we add equal amount of water to that of coconut so that our pudding gets perfect texture. Now to this I'm adding half a liter of colostrum milk and 1 cup finely cut jaggery. Stir thoroughly and let the jaggery completely dissolve. Once the jaggery is fully dissolved into this mixture, transfer this mixture into a cake tin or any mold of your choice. I have kept some water to boil here and placed a stand like this inside. I'm going to transfer this mold onto the stand. Top it up with a turmeric leaf. Well, this is optional. If you do not have a turmeric leaf, you can even grate a tiny bit of nutmeg. Cover both the vessels properly and let the pudding steam cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. I have cooked this pudding for total 30 minutes on a low to medium flame and you can see our pudding has perfectly cooked. I let it completely cool down at a room temperature and our kharvas or colostrum milk pudding is all set now. Gently remove the turmeric leaf, loosen the sides with the help of a knife and de-mould it. You can even cut it into the mold without having to de-mold it. Our melt in your mouth kharvas or colostrum milk pudding is all set to serve. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.